Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 26 here on season 2. And today we are getting into silver winner announcement. We're going to keep this video real quick, real short. It's been a long few days, and so this one is just basically about the silver winner announcement. The way that we'll do this is I will run it through the random comment selector, and if it's a comment that does not have the answer in there, then sorry, you're not the winner, unfortunately. If it is the first person that shows up that is the correct answer, or is the answer to the question, then you will be the winner of the 1 ounce of silver. By the way, we're about to hit another 1,500. We got another 100 and almost like 375 more to go, so super stoked about that. Awesome. By the way, this video was like the most commented video I've had in like the last probably 3 weeks or so. So thank you all for boosting that. I appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get into it really quick. So this is the random comment picker. And we'll go ahead and this is the video right here. We'll go ahead and click start. And look at all these people popping up. Boom, 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 boom. Here we go. Me. We are the champions, my friends. What? I won. Help out with the subtitles. Okay, we got to do a different one. Let's search it again. Maybe a... Okay. All right, here we go. Another search. 33. Boom, 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 boom. Gesture. Everybody jump, come on. Gesture. One chicken. He will hypnotize the elephant. Congratulations, you have won yourself a 1 ounce thing of silver. Just reach out to me and on my Gmail account with post your email address in the comments, and then I will reach out to you via my email, and then we'll get shipping address and all that kind of stuff, so that we can get this shipped out to you ASAP. Rocky. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day. What would be the coolest animal to scale up to the size of a horse? What are those little lizards the bearded dragon? I think that would be pretty cool. A bearded dragon horse size. Very interesting kind of look, but I think that it would definitely work. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. We will be back on tomorrow. Jacob and I are planning on doing a food review, and then going into next week, we'll do some Acorn, Stash, and Robinhood talks. But like I always say, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here in this corner and check out my Acorns and Taxes video. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.